Hey, I'm John Greaves III. I'm the founder of Garage Gym Life, and I'm here in my uncle's home gym in Maryland. So this is the perfect opportunity to talk about a topic that I see pop up consistently whenever I'm browsing any sort of home gym related social media platform or subreddit. And that's home gym owners making the assumption that their success is based strictly on what they have in their home workout space. Obviously, if your goal is to be a world champion powerlifter or strongman competitor, you're going to need to have the necessary equipment to develop proficiency in those sports. But there's no rule that says that you can't achieve a quality physique without a gym full of all the latest bells and whistles. Before I explain what I mean, go ahead and hit the like button for me and hit subscribe if you haven't already. And let me tell you how to get the most out of your home gym journey, regardless of how much or how little equipment you currently have. So I've told you guys in the past that my first home workout space consisted of two 70-pound dumbbells and a wooden box. And I did just about all of my training with that. But that was a temporary situation that really only lasted a few months. So it would be easy to assume that I didn't make real progress until after I started accumulating a ton of equipment. But that's far from the truth. In fact, that's why I love doing what I do, because I get to see people build outstanding physiques in spaces just like this one, where my uncle and aunt train 5 days a week, just steadily nudging themselves closer to their ideal vision of themselves. That consistency is the primary reason why my aunt and uncle have been able to maintain athletic physiques for over 30 years. Too often I see home gym owners who actually delay their progress because they're focusing more on accumulating the perfect pieces to outfit their home gym rather than attacking success with the tools they already have available. You know, I was terrified when I left my job at a public gym and started training at home with limited equipment that I was going to lose everything I had gained. But I didn't notice a significant decline in performance or my appearance. In fact, I actually made progress because I wasn't distracted by random people coming up to me during my workouts anymore. Lift with me, Lord. Lift for me. Here we go. This was possible because I was consistent with my training. You know what did derail me and caused me to gain over 50 pounds of body fat, even though I had a fully equipped home gym by that time? When I stopped training. A few years ago, I was in a pretty bad car wreck and I wasn't able to train. So for the first time since 1993, I wasn't training on a consistent basis and I started getting fat. By the time I was cleared to work out again, I had lost the habit of training. So the road back to reclaim my life has been primarily about restoring the habit of consistent and purposeful movement devoted to the mission of improving my mobility, regaining my strength, and dropping my body fat to get me back to where I perform best and look the way I think that someone who creates content in the fitness industry should look. Hear me clearly. A solid plan executed consistently with minimal equipment will take you much further than any plan carried out occasionally, no matter how well stocked your gym is. The other benefit to getting in the habit of consistently using what you have to the fullest is that you're not going to be one of those people who's got a great looking home workout space and a body that looks like the average non-athletic regular person. Look, you started this journey because you want to be the best version of yourself. So don't let anything destroy that dream, including the false belief that your success depends on how much your home gym looks like either the public gym down the street or pictures of other people's home gyms that they post on social media. Start where you are and attack it with all you have, and I promise you'll be successful.
Hey, this is John Greaves, founder of Garage Gym Life, and ever since I tried it, every time I go for a PR, I make sure to take some advice from my boy G Diesel, Greg Santiarso. It's a company, G Code Nutrition. Hasn't let me down yet. This stuff is the truth. 3 flavors. Every time you order, you get 3 flavors with it. So anyway, let's see what we get today. And if you're wondering why I would do such a dangerous exercise, read the shirt. Get a preview of what I'm gonna say to you.